Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can prevent YouTube app from using mobile data on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under this video and also write, friends, your comments after watching, and let's get started. So, first of all, you will need to open settings on your iPhone. After that, select the mobile network option here. Next, you'll need to scroll down and you'll see a list of apps that use mobile data on your phone. Click See All to see the full list. Scroll down to find the YouTube app. Once you find it, in order to prevent this app from using mobile data on your iPhone, the only thing you'll need to do is to click on this button next to the YouTube app. This way, you will disable this option and YouTube will no longer use mobile data. Friends, with this quick and simple method, you can easily stop YouTube from using mobile data on iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments and be sure to put your likes. Take care.